In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute balloon hat. We'll be using a 260 and a 5-inch balloon. So let's take our 260 and we're going to blow this up, leaving a very small tail at the end. We will be letting just a small amount of air out so that we can tie it better. I'm going to take these two ends and tie them together. Okay, now we're going to squish the side that looks like it has more air just to make it a little softer. We'll measure it to the head and then we're going to twist. Now we're going to take the smaller section, squeeze it together to make two folds, and twist that through the loop of the hat so that it stays into place. Once that is complete, we are going to take those and we're going to kind of push the bigger loop through the smaller loop. A small amount just to make them stay as shown here. Now that that part is finished, we are going to blow up our 5-inch balloon. You can purchase these balloons and pump in my Teddy Style Etsy shop. The link is below. Tie the end of our balloon. And now attach it to the hat part through the center of the two folds, simply by wrapping the nozzle of the balloon, the ending of the balloon, around the center there. Now adjust everything and we have a simple balloon hat. Oh, and yes, please be sure to eliminate any clippings in the hair before putting the balloon on to prevent it from popping and so that it can fit correctly. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day.